You're watching How Leap. Let's see a saved Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. Open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Find the network whose password you want to see and tap the information icon next to it. On the network details page, you will not see the password directly. To reveal it, you need to use the keychain sync feature. With a Mac, ensure your iPhone and Mac are signed into the same Apple ID and have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. On your Mac, open the Keychain Access app from the Utilities folder. In the search bar, type the name of the Wi-Fi network. Double-click the entry in the results. In the window that opens, check the box that says Show Password. You will be prompted to enter your Mac's administrator password. After entering it, the password will be displayed in plain text. If you don't have a Mac, you can use a third-party app from the App Store, but be cautious with security. Alternatively, you can reset the password on your router and create a new one for more simple computer tutorials. Subscribe to the channel.